Students, in this video I am going to teach you how to learn physics. That is, how to make physics very interesting. As you know that most of the students, they don't like physics. They feel that this subject is very hard. But in this video I will be clearing that doubt most of the students they have regarding physics. So according to me, for physics, so if you really want to understand physics, so first of all, you see this acronym, please have your sense of imagination. Cool. So if you have your imagination, the students, they don't imagine. Because of the lack of imagination, they'll have problem in understanding the different concepts of physics. But as you know that most of the physics concepts are related to our daily life activities. In other words, physics is nothing but we are studying our daily life activities. What are the things going on? Why this thing is happening? What is the reason for happening? For example, you see rainbow. So everyone knows about rainbow. We have seen different colors in the rainbow. So why these rainbow colors are coming? So all these things, basically they are related to our daily life activities. For example, you can see sunrise, sunset. All these things, behind every day-to-day activity, some sort of physics is related, some sort of concept is going on. So for that, first of all, you have to imagine. Please have your sense of imagination. You should have a cool imagination. You have to think differently if you want to understand the concepts in physics. So the basic thing first you have to concentrate is that you have to imagine a lot. The more you imagine, the easy it will be for you to grasp the concepts of physics. For example, if I say, if I'm talking about force, so as soon as I say the word force, so I should think about push and pull. Just imagine what is push and what is pull. So like that, there are many concepts which have to be understood. It is only possible because of imagination. For example, you know the theory of relativity, or you are having E is equal to mc square given by Einstein. So how did he get this equation? How he was able to solve this equation? Only through his imagination. So if you want to really be good in physics, just imagine. imagine a lot. Whatever concepts are there, make it your imagination. So then only it is easy for you to understand. So please make your imagination cool. That is, imagine more and more. Then only it will be easy for you to understand these concepts. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.